Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and manage stock on your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. So, keeping your inventory updated helps you know how many products are available and makes it easier to manage your store. So, to get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard and click products from the left hand menu. From there, select inventory. So, this page will show the products in your store along with their current stock levels. So this page will show the products in your store along with their current stock levels. And in here, you can check how many items are available and make changes whenever you need to update your inventory. And if you notice that some products are not showing on the inventory page, inventory tracking may not be turned on for these products. So to fix this, go back to products and open the product you want to manage. Scroll down until you find the inventory section, then enable the option to track the product's quantity. Once inventory is once inventory tracking is enabled, Shopify can keep track of how much stock is available. After that, you can return to the inventory page and continue managing your stock levels from there. So keeping these numbers updated can help you stay organized and know when a product is getting low or is no longer available. And that is how you can add and manage stock on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.